Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Diletta Bello espresso machine. Now for this machine we just had to replace this part. This one that you see right here, fortunately the gasket was leaking water into the back of the machine and it was making a big puddle on the right back side of it. We took it apart and inspect other hoses of the machine. We didn't saw any other additional leaks once we had this new cover in the tank replaced. We also made sure that the machine was pressurizing properly and working the way it's supposed to. As you can see, turns on correctly. Pressure is almost ready, so I left it 0.9. You should see the machine pressurizing a bit. Okay, machine is almost ready. So going to 1.2 bars of pressure. And as you can see, now it reached its optimal temperature. This light went off. The pressure is at 1.2 bars, perfectly set. And now let's test this beautiful machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. It is very important to have the coffee dialed in to your machine, especially if you're using a bottomless basket, because if you don't, you're gonna have a lot of spraying going around here, or you would barely get any drips coming out from the portafilter. And as you can see, nice extraction, really good crema on top of the espresso shot. That flows perfectly and it flows really good. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer. Excellent steam temperature, pressure coming out from the steamer to the temperature. Turn this a little bit more. There you go. Excellent pressure coming out from the steamer. And excellent flow coming out from the hot water spout as well. And you can see our beautiful shot of espresso right there. So there you have it, Diletta working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.